Looking for a shower screen that's sturdy, stylish, and easy to maintain? Look no further than the fixed shower screen from Fabglass and Mirror. Enjoy a luxurious and safe showering experience with our shower panel made from 0.38 inches or 10 millimeters. Thick, clear tempered safety glass with reversible design, allowing it to be used as both a right and left attachment. The panel comes with aluminum bottom U-channel and top glass clamp for effortless installation. It is available in 3 hardware finishes: chrome, oil-rubbed bronze, and brushed nickel. Glass is treated with SmartGuard coating and provides a durable and stain-resistant surface, which prevents limescale buildup. And with our fast and reliable after-sales support, including our low delivery damage rate, you can enjoy your new shower door with total peace of mind. So why wait? Transform your bathroom today with Frameless fixed shower screen. It's the perfect way to infuse style, convenience, and durability into any bathroom.